Making Play-Doh to explore the art element form. Form, a three-dimensional shape or figure. A form has length, width, and depth. For activity, you will need 4 cups flour, 1 cup salt, 1.5 cup water, and 4 tablespoons oil. Gather your materials and tools. Step 1. Mix flour and salt. Here they are. Pour the salt into that big bowl of flour, and we're gonna mix. Step 2. Slowly stir in the water and oil. Pour, drizzle, drip, drip, stir, 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 crunch, crunch, crunch. Work it. Work that dough. Step 3. Knead dough until soft. Squish, 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 squish. Squish, squish. There it is. So much dough. I'm just forming more to make sure I'm squishing it enough. It's all mixed thoroughly. Place into a container so it doesn't dry out. Adding color and texture. If you don't have food coloring, explore all their alternatives. I explored with spices, veggies, and paint. Remember, color is the natural appearance of something. Here's some of the things I used. All right. Chunk dough for different colors. Squish, squish, roll, clump. For adding ingredients, make sure you mix until thoroughly blended. Here's my paprika. I'm gonna squish, mix, mush, blip, 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 blip. Roll it in my hands, rub it on the table, squish, squish until it's thoroughly blended. All right, another chunk for my next spice, turmeric. I'm hoping to get the color yellow. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm gonna fold my dough and squish and squish and squish and roll and squish and roll and push and squish. This is the fun part about making a form. Okay, now another color. All right, here are my beets, but I have to use my grater to get any kind of juice or color from them. So I'm gonna push my grater onto them and squish and squish and mush and squish. It's not giving me all the color, and it's kind of getting more sticky with the juices. Next is going to be paint. And also with paint, it gets very sticky, so you want to add a little more flour to your dough if it's too sticky. Now, let's explore texture with our form. Find different objects that have that texture that we talked about the other week. Texture that we can touch. That's actual texture. Found a couple different things here. Let's explore. I'm going to start with this blue, and I'm going to roll my diamond texture over my dough. Uh-oh, it stuck to it. If that happens to you, what we need to do is add some flour to our mixture. That's going to help it so it doesn't stick. See? I'm going to add a little hole because I think I'm going to hang these for a different project. There is a diamond texture. Next, our yellow turmeric. I think I'm going to use these prongs. I like their ridged texture and their little dots they make. Add a little hole. Put that on the pan. All right, now I have this woven looking grid texture. I'm going to push it down on my dough. Oh, that's cool. It's bumpy. I'm going to add a little hole once again. And I'm going to use my fork. Look at those straight lines it's creating. It can make dots too, dotted lines. Add a hole in the middle just because it looks good there. You can let these air dry, but I'm going to put them in the oven to bake them. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees for 45 minutes. All right. Then, when it's ready, you're going to place your forms into your oven. And wait. Watch. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Fast forward to 45 minutes. Ta-da! Here we go. They are done. They kind of look like cookies. All right, make sure to turn your oven off. And then let your forms cool. We can make bird feeders. Here's what you'll need. Play-Doh form, your string, some peanut butter, and bird seed. All right, so you want to cut a long piece of string for your dough. Make sure to loop it. Then we're going to add our peanut butter. I'm going to apply a layer. I only add chunky, but you can use whatever peanut butter you have. You can dip or sprinkle your seeds. I dipped the first one, then I was like, let's just sprinkle. And then we're gonna hang them outside for the critters. There you go. They really enjoyed their treats. Thanks for watching.